Hi. For the longest time on Tradetron, we faced this one limitation where we had multiple strategies and each strategy had to have its own target, its own stop loss. And there was no way of having one target, one stop loss that you could trigger on a day basis that would take care of all the strategies or everything that was running on Tradetron. Well, not anymore. I am very excited to share and to walk you through this new feature that we've added called the portfolio level target and stop loss. And in this video, we will cover how you can create your own portfolio. How can you define your portfolio? How can you define all the target, stop loss, and parameters on that portfolio? And then how you can manage your deployments to have one target, one stop loss, which is acting across all the different strategies and deployments that you create on Tradetron. So watch this video till the end. My name is Josefa, and let me help you with building better algo strategies in this video. So like you can see out here, I am on the Tradetron dashboard and I am now going to go to my strategies where I have created two strategies which I will show you as an example for this portfolio, right? Now imagine that I have this triangle that I created using the option wizard. More details about the option wizard in the link in the description. If you haven't checked it out, I really suggest you do. Now for this triangle, I will first deploy the strategy and then we will go to see how we create a portfolio for this. So I will deploy the strategy on live offline and select my broker as Finvasia and I deploy it. Now I can make any number of deployments of this. So let me go ahead and make one more deployment of this triangle strategy and run this on. So again, we can have this on multiple brokers as well. So it's not necessarily having Shunya in the first place. With that, I will deploy another strategy. So it also works with multiple different strategies in one go. So I can run one more deployment on the same broker or a different broker of a different strategy as well. Now, once I make my deployment, we can see these deployments in the deployed page. So I will quickly run a filter and we will see all the deployments which are made on Shunya. So all the deployments that I made are basically deployed out here, and you can see some of them have already taken their trades. Now what I can do is I can go to this new page that we've created called the portfolio management page, and in this page I can basically name a portfolio. Now this is basically like making a group of all the different strategy deployments that I have, and with this group I can basically have a name to this portfolio. So let me name this portfolio as let's say Tradetron 1, right? Now once I name this portfolio, I define on which days of the week do I want my rules to be applicable. So I can define this for a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or multiple days. So because today is a Thursday, I'll select Thursday and I'll select Friday. And now I have defined the 2 days when my portfolio is basically going to take its condition checks. Now with this, I have my target and I have my stop loss. So I can define my target and stop loss, which will be applicable specifically to this Tradetron 1 portfolio, right? So in here, let's say I want a target of 1000 rupees, right? So once I have my target of 1000 rupees and a stop loss of let's say 500 rupees, when this target and stop loss happen, either one of them happen, it will basically trigger a universal exit in all the strategies which are existing within the portfolio, right? With that, we also have the trailing stop loss for this. So I can define my activation at set trailing stop loss at increase by and increase profit by, which we will cover in another video. For now, let's understand more about how to add strategies to this particular portfolio. So now we can go down and we can find all the different deployments that have basically been created for my account in here. So we can see that in here I see the strategies. I see that particular strangle strategy. So the strangle strategy that I deployed today is visible out here and deployed with Finvasia. Similarly, the other strangle strategy, the second deployment that I made, along with the long call butterfly deployment that I made. Now I can basically choose to add all these different deployments and add these to my portfolio. So once I select them, I can basically trigger a save from here, and when I save this is basically going to tell me that my portfolio has been added successfully. Now what will happen is that all these three deployments, whenever I am going to have a combined target of 1000 rupees on all these three deployments, or when I have a combined stop loss of, let's say, 500 rupees on these three deployments, it will basically exit from my portfolio out here. Now in this portfolio, I am also able to change my target and stop loss numbers on the go. So for example, let's say instead of my target of 1000 rupees, I want to change my target to something like 100 rupees, just to show you, or something like 50 rupees, just to show you that how this thing works. So let's say I want my target as 50 rupees, I want my stop loss as, let's say, 25 rupees. In this case, once I update it, the same update will basically get transferred to all the strategies that are in that portfolio. And now if we check this page, the deployed page, you should see that um, all these strategies, the strangle strategy has exited, the other strangle strategy has exited, and the long call butterfly has exited. Why has it exited? Because there's a combined profit of 200 plus 8, 208 plus 20. So because that combined profit is more than what my portfolio level combined profit is set at, which is 50 rupees, it has basically triggered my exit at this point. Wait, that's not all. This portfolio feature gets even more interesting. So in this portfolio feature, we can choose to have multiple portfolios, and there is no restriction on which strategies can be added to which portfolio. So let me give you an example. Right now we created the Tradetron 1 portfolio with the two strategies, Strangle and the Long Call Butterfly. Now with this, I want to have one more portfolio which is only for my strangles. So I will create one portfolio for my strangles, and in this portfolio I can choose my day of the week as Thursday, and in here I can choose to add only my two strangle strategies. Now remember, Tradetron 1 portfolio already had the two strangles and the long call butterfly. In this portfolio I am only adding the two strangle strategies, and these two strategies can now have its independent target, its independent stop loss, and a trailing stop loss. So as a smart trader, I can choose to have one portfolio which could have all the different strategies by selecting this. So this thing could have all the different Tradetron strategies. I can give it a day wise target, that at on, let's say, a Monday, I want my target on my overall Tradetron portfolio to be, let's say, 10,000 rupees. And I can also choose to have a day wise target stop loss. So let's say on Tuesdays I need a stop loss of at max 2000 rupees of loss, or I can choose specific to strategies. So within my four strategies out here, I want an X amount of target, X amount of stop loss, or I can choose to have a trailing stop loss on the overall level for all the different deployments that I'm making on Tradetron. Isn't this so? Whether you're running 3 strategies, 30 or 300, this portfolio level feature is guaranteed to help you manage your portfolio of algo strategies much better than before, such that you can have very precise controls over what day, what target, what stop loss, what trading stop loss, and so on. And the best part is that this feature is available right now for you to use, for you to try and experience the next level of control that you have now received on your Tradetron account. Because the edge in trading doesn't just come from the different strategies you create, it comes from the systems that we place. And the best part, your system just got an upgrade.